Today we are going to learn with this specifically group of animal. Okay, you remember what kind of animal is this?
Owl?
Yeah, this is owl. It has, what is it? It has feathers, and it can fly. Yeah, owl can fly. And then it has the eyes. How is it? It is small or big?
Big.
Yeah, the owl big. And owls is a nocturnal animal. Yeah, so it's different with us. They what is it? They wake up at night. Yeah, and sleep in the day. Okay, can you put it on top of the mat? Okay, and then this one. What is this animal? Do you know?
Eagle.
Eagle. Eagle also what is it? What animal? A bird. We call it a bird that can fly. They are flying bird. Yeah, the flying bird. The eagle has what is it? It has sharp eyes. It has sharp eyes, and they have strong claws. Yeah, to catch the prey. They are strong animals. Can you put it on top of the mat? Okay. Okay. Do you know what is this animal?
Owl.
Oh, this is that one. This is dove. We call it dove. Can you say dove? Dove. Okay. This is also what animal? This is. They have, what is it? They have feathers, and they can fly. It is a flying bird. Okay. Can you put it on top of the mat? Okay. And then this one. Do you know what is this animal? We call it hummingbird. Can you say hummingbird? It has what is it? What color is this? It has
White.
white and orange. Yeah, orange feathers, and they have quite a long beak. Yeah. And do you know that hummingbird can fly backwards? They can fly backwards, and we call it humming because they can beat the wing so fast. So we call it hummingbird. Okay, can you put it on top of the mat? Okay, how about this one? What animal is this? You know, this is, we call it toucan. Can you say toucan? It has a big beak. Yeah, it has a big beak, and it is colorful. But do you know that the beak is not that heavy? Okay. Now, what color is the feathers?
Black.
Black. Yeah. And then it has what? It has wings. Can it fly? This bird can fly? Yes, we call it flying bird. Can you put it on the mat? Yes. Okay, how about this animal? What is this?
Owl.
Owl. Okay, this is a crow. Can you say crow? Crow. Okay, this is the crow. The color is black.
Black.
Yeah. Okay, can you put it on the mat? Okay, now I have the word text in here, and I would like you to match with the animal. Yeah. Can you try to read this? What is this?
Eagle.
Eagle. Can you put it on the matching picture? Okay. What is this?
Owl.
Owl. Can you put it on the matching picture? Okay. What is this?
Dove.
Dove. Okay. Can you put it on the matching picture? Okay, what is this? Toucan. Yeah, can you match it? Can you match with the right picture? Okay. What is this?
Crow.
Crow. Can you match it? Okay. Then what is this? This is hummingbird. Can you match it? Okay, now I have the control card. Can you match it? Put it like this. Okay. Can you put it under here? Can you put it under here, Mika? Okay. Let's do it again. And then you match again. Okay. And then This one is
owl,
owl,
eagle,
eagle,
dove,
dove,
hummingbird,
hummingbird,
toucan,
toucan, and then
crow,
crow. Okay, so Kinan, we work with the um, the specifically group animal, and we already matched it with the word tag. Okay, anytime you want to work with it, you can take it from the shelf. So good idea.